Hello YouTube, this is iHelp, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your custom ringtone on your iDevice. It can be iPod, iPhone, I don't know, I'm pretty sure iPad too, whatever. What you want to do is you need a jailbroken device, obviously, and you want to open up Cydia, right? And you're going to need this source. Um, so go to Manage, uh, and click on Sources right there. You should know that. I mean, it's kind of simple, not that hard. If it focuses on it in a sec. Okay, there. So you want to go to sources, right? Click on source, and then the top corner says edit, and the other ones, on the other corner, once you hit edit, it's gonna say add. So you want to hit add, and you want to add. One sec. One sec. I didn't memorize this. HTTP dot slash slash cydia.zodttd.com slash repo slash cydia slash. That link will be in the description just in case I suck at spelling or you didn't understand me or whatever reasons. So just feel free to look for it there. So once you've added that, you can go to the search bar and search in whatever song you want. I don't recommend that because most likely they're probably not going to have the exact song you want. So what I do is go to section on the second one from the right. It's on the bottom right there. It just says section. No biggie. So once you hit section, you want to scroll down all the way to ringtones, the R section, obviously, and that screen is gonna come out. It's a list of all the music that's in Cydia. In a sec. See, as you see, I've installed the first one, a Millie. I like Lil Wayne. I was looking for Black Eyed Peas, but I couldn't find them, so I just satisfied with Lil Wayne. So you tap on whatever song you want. It says modify, right? Um, focuses there. Where mine says modify, yours is gonna say install. So click install, and a little screen is gonna come out and say confirm on the top same corner, same where install says. You want to hit install. So give it a minute, let it install, do its thing. Once you're done installing, you want to go back out from there and go to your settings. So once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down to sound. And if this is a ringtone like mine is, so when people FaceTime me or call me or whatever on my iPod, then that song comes out. So you want to hit the ringtone. And somehow it manages to go into alphabetical order. So you want to hit your song. So look, mine is a Millie. It's right there into the settings. In a sec. Oh, there you go. Alright, here's a preview. And I'm going to show you that this is at Hawaii by going to the clock. Yeah. It should work for your alarm too, by the way. That's my alarm. So look, I'm going to put a timer for preview. Oh, shit, give me a second. Here's a time for me. Just watch that. There's a ringtone right there. You can see it. Cyber Millie. Whatever. Oh, well, that low is, by the way, if anybody knows how to get Minecraft on PC, on Windows, please tell me, comment, or leave a link or something for it, because I've been trying and I can't do it. I don't want to pay for Minecraft because I already have it for Xbox and I have it for everything, and I find it pointless to just buy it over again. So, just leave a description. So there's 20 seconds left on this thing. Um, let's just wait for it, okay? I feel like it's like a like New Year's countdown or something. There you go. So it's not a lie, it works. Sorry about my other video. I saw it didn't work for some people. It worked for me, and I retried it, and it actually didn't work for me after that. It worked once. So please like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and peace out.